Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of HTML tutorials. In this episode, we're going to go in depth on elements, the basic ones such as the paragraph element, the header elements, the body elements, the image source, and the links. Alright, so before we get started, let me preface this by saying that the cool thing about Adobe's brackets is that when you click this, a browser pops up that shows the output to you. So for example, in our previous episode we wrote, "Hi, this is a paragraph element." If we click on the live preview, a browser should pop up with the element outputted to the window. Now I'm going to close that for now, but let's get started. So in the previous episode we made a paragraph element, but for this one let's make a header element. Header elements are pretty much bigger texts that are used for like titles or subtitles and such. So we'll write this as H1. This is a header. So when we run the live preview, we should see how it looks like. And we get this is a header. And as you can see in HTML, the default allows white lines to be put in between the texts, just like a Microsoft Word document. And H1 goes all the way to H6, so I could say this is another header, but this H2 is smaller. So if we run the live preview, we can see that H2 is still big, but not as quite as big as H1. Now, I'm going to skip H3, H4, and H5 and go to H6 so we can see it's still there. This is header 6. So if we run the live preview again, voila, much smaller heading. Alright, so now let's try to add the links to our previous document by clicking enter a couple of times in the body element. And in order to make a link in HTML, you have to use this element. Ahref is equal to insert URL here. And after you've done that, you want to have some text to link to the website. So I'm going to write Google here. So I actually have the URL of the Google's website, so I'm going to type it here. So I write https://google.com. Now once I click the live preview, I will see that a link to Google pops up. And once I do click it by clicking Command or Control and clicking the mouse, a new link pops up that goes straight to Google. Right, so what have we done so far? We've learned paragraph elements, header elements, link elements, and we've also learned the body elements. So what is left for us to do? Well, we have to learn how to insert images within our document. So what we're going to do is insert a picture of Pokemon for the sake of all Pokemon lovers out there. So I'm going to write image source is equal to double quotes, and within here we have to insert a URL of the image. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the browser, go to Pikachu in Google Images and click copy image URL. Since it's not there, I'm gonna click view image and click this and copy the link. Now when we run the web page, we can see that Pikachu popped up.